I'm Peggy. I'm from Long Beach. And
you're louder. Yeah.
I came here because I've been suffering from depression for 20 years. Been going to lots of doctors on a lot of antidepressants. Also, I was about to get foot surgery for a bunion, and the pain in my leg and my foot has been excruciatingly painful at work. Also, I've had hot flashes, and I'm in menopause. Hot flashes and just irritability from the menopause symptoms. Also, I've had pain in a pinched nerve in my neck for at least 15 years. I've been on anti-inflammatories for the last 3 years to get rid of the pain. I have used alternative medication, which has been chiropractor. I've been to a few acupuncturists. I think, massage. I think that's about it. Just mainly chiropractors for about 10 years.
How did the acupuncture help? Did they help?
Not really. I've tried everything I could think of, especially for my upper back pain. I was in excruciating pain from that, and taking the hormones was causing my body to be inflamed. And then I've had difficulty at work, even just working, because my leg would be in pain, my foot would be in pain. So I met a friend of mine. I was sharing with her the pains I've been having, and she mentioned to me Dr. Tong, and that he had helped people that had even had back surgery that had never had any relief. So she really highly suggested I come here first before I try anything else. So with her recommendation, high recommendation, that she said I come here, I decided I needed some relief because it was just getting to be too much. When I got here after the first treatment, I could not believe it. I had at least 5 days with no hot flashes, absolutely no pain in my foot or leg. I just had a sense of just ease and comfort in my whole body.
How about your depression?
Yeah, just things just didn't bother me like they usually do. I mean, just everything seemed to be a lot easier. I had a lot more energy. I was getting things done. I am Peggy Brooks, and I am a flight attendant for the last over 20 years. Let's see, in the last, 15 years, I have been on numerous antidepressants. Have tried to go off of them with not much success, and which would put me right back on them again. In the last 3 years, I started taking anti-inflammatories because I had foot problems and neck problems. The neck problems started 15 years ago, and I've been going to chiropractors for 15 years. Constantly going, but not really getting any relief. The anti-inflammatories did help in the beginning, and then the pain started coming back in my neck, and I thought, well, what is this really doing for me? As far as and then just recently in the last year, I started taking estrogen, which was also inflaming my body. So with all those drugs in my body, I got a referral to see Dr. Tong because the pain was coming back in my neck. It was harder for me to do my work, and anyway, I needed something different. My first session with Dr. Tong, I felt unbelievable immediate relief. He told me to go off all of my medications, which scared me. It scared me to death because I've tried the antidepressant thing before, and it never worked. The anti-inflammatories, well, I was ready to get off those. They weren't really helping me anymore. After the first session, all the pain in my body was just gone. After that first week, just the leg pain I had, I am now going to be, getting surgery on my foot. I have a bunion, but I have leg pain from the bunion, and the leg pain was gone. My neck pain was gone. I just felt overall in better health. Even though I was on an antidepressant, I still felt depressed. And after the first session here, my depression was lifting. I just felt better about my overall health. I don't know how to describe it, but I've been going here, let's see, this is my 4th time. And I'm not on my I'm off antidepressants, I'm off my anti-inflammatories. I don't take any more of the estrogen that I was taking, any more of the medication. I have no more I haven't hardly had any hot flashes. I'm sleeping through the night. I've had some withdrawal from my antidepressants, but it's not anything I can't deal with. It's just part of the withdrawal symptoms. My neck, there's no more neck pain. And in my leg, I have very minimal leg pain, where the surgery, for my foot, or where I've got to get surgery. So far in a month's time, I mean, overall, I just feel like I'm, I don't know how to describe it, just like a lift in my mood, and how my body feels better, just lighter all over. Okay, in summary, I came in here for a chronic neck pain that I couldn't seem to get rid of. I've been on anti-inflammatories for 3 years that seemed to relieve it after 15 years of going to chiropractors faithfully. In the last 3 years, I got hooked on anti-inflammatories and thought they were my answer until they stopped working. I got in here for that. That was my whole reason to come here. That is completely gone. I mean, after the second session, I haven't even had a problem with that anymore. But along with the neck pain, I told Dr. Tong about all these other things that I've been dealing with, and one was 15 years of depression and being on medication all that time, and he said, just quit taking your medication, and since I have gotten through it, I mean, I've gone through a little bit of withdrawals, but I feel better. I'm completely off my antidepressants. The other thing was my leg pain, I'm getting, from my bunion from surgery I have to get. It's pretty much gone in my leg. I don't know what else. So I was having hot flashes and, getting insomnia. So I was on medication for menopause, and I quit taking that altogether too, and I have absolutely no more hot flashes, maybe minimal, tiny little bit, 1 or 2 during the week, and my insomnia is completely gone. I sleep through the night, like I don't even wake up at all during the night. So of all the things, the hot flashes, the insomnia is gone, my neck pain is gone, my leg pain is gone, and I'm off my antidepressants. So